Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to program your Subaru Legacy's Home Link garage door opener. This integrated system offers great convenience, eliminating the need for extra remotes. First, let's clear any old programming. Press and hold the two outer Home Link buttons on your mirror for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash rapidly, confirming the memory is erased and ready for new programming. Now, let's pair your handheld remote. Choose one of the three Home Link buttons on your mirror and press and release it. The indicator light will begin flashing orange. Next, hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the Home Link button you just selected. Press and hold the open button on your remote until the Home Link indicator light turns solid green. This step usually takes a few seconds. If your Home Link indicator light flashes rapidly after the previous step, your garage door opener likely uses a rolling code system. For this, you'll need to go to your garage door opener motor unit. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button, usually found on the back or side. Once pressed, you have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Subaru for the next step. To finalize the rolling code programming, get back into your Subaru. Press and hold the Home Link button you are programming for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this action 2 more times for a total of 3 presses. Your garage door should now activate. Test the button to ensure it works reliably. For optimal performance during programming, always use a handheld remote with fresh batteries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.